Hi everyone. I am interview Miss Ella Andres as a muscle builder. Question number 1. How do you come up with this type of activity? What motivates you?
I'm doing this activity because to motivate myself to to lose weight and the good lifestyle.
Question number 2. What is the most challenging part as a gym instructor or muscle builder?
The most challenging part is to do a lot of activity.
Question number 3. What are your personal fitness goals?
Personal fitness goal to healthy lifestyle and good body.
Question number 4. What are the problem you have encountered before, during, and after the activity?
Mga pain.
Question number 5. What did you balance between food, career, and your activity?
Time to time.
Question number 6. When you feel pain or discomfort, how did you manage this problem?
To continue the physical activity and to stretching.
Question number 7. How your current weight affecting your life now?
My current weight is 60 kilos. Please repeat the question.
How do you current how your current weight affecting your life now?
After my weight, current weight now is 60 kilos. The effect is to my eating problem, my diet problem.
Question number 8. How do you determine the best training program?
Staying with the problem to continue the balanced diet and good lifestyle.
Number 9. What are the what are the strength and weaknesses of the gym instructor muscle builder during the activity?
The weaknesses and strength to my weaknesses and strength during the activity is the Balik Alindog program.
What are the advice and tips you can give to those who want to try this activity?
My advice and tips is to continue the physical activity and continue the good lifestyle you beginning in your good and body shape.
Thank you for the interview and thank you for cooperating.
Bye bye.